Hey friend! Today, I'm going to show you how to do a completely free photo shoot using AI, that's right. You can create realistic models to showcase your brand's clothing, just like H&M, Zara, or any other top fashion website. Let's say you've launched an online clothing store, and you want to display how a dress looks on a model. Instead of hiring models, setting up lights, and using a professional camera, you can generate stunning AI models in seconds. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create custom AI models for your fashion store, making your products look high-end and professional. I'll even show you how to create videos of your product, so without further ado, let's get started. This will elevate your brand, boost your sales, and increase your profits, all without the hassle of a traditional photo shoot. To create your AI model photos, the first step is to click the link in the description, which will take you to Seller Pick AI, a powerful tool that transforms your e-commerce visuals instantly. Whether you're an online seller, marketer, or designer, this AI-powered platform helps you save time, effort, and money while making your products look stunning and professional. So, once you're on the site, click Start for free, sign up with your Google account. Once you're logged in, your interface will look like this. Here, you'll find several powerful features designed to take your product visuals to the next level. First, there's the Virtual Try-On, Accessories and Apparel feature, which lets you showcase your products on AI-generated models, perfect for displaying items like sunglasses, bags, and clothing. Then, there's the Swap Fashion Model tool, which creates unique AI fashion models customized specifically for your brand. Next, you can turn your images into videos using this tool, adding even more dynamic visuals to your store. In the AI Editor Tools section, you'll find a variety of useful tools, including a background remover and replacer, image retouch, enhancer, and more, all designed to make your product photos look polished and professional. Alright, so let's say I want to promote this bag and create a model image for it. What do I need to do? Since it's an accessory, we'll use the Virtual Try-On, Accessories feature. This is the AI Fashion Model Generator interface. First, we need to upload the product image. Since my image is saved on my device, I'll select Device Upload. But if you've already uploaded the product before, you can simply select it from your uploaded images. Once the image is uploaded, you'll see some helpful suggestions. For example, if your product takes up too much space in the image, it's recommended to use the zoom tool to resize it and position it properly on a white background for better results. Now, let's move to the right side Settings tab. Here, you'll find two options, Preset and Custom. In the Preset tab, you'll see various accessory presets that you can use instantly. But if you want to create a fully custom image, switch to the Custom tab. Now, let's go ahead and click here to upload a custom model image. For example, I'll upload this one. After uploading, we need to choose the product type and then hit the Create button. Next, we have to define the area where we want the bag to be placed. To do this, we can use either the brush tool or the lasso tool. Just make sure to take your time and mark the area properly. Once that's done, hit Confirm. Now, we just need to click the Generate button, and that's it. Seller Pick AI will process the image, and here's the result. Just look at the quality. It's incredibly realistic. Now, you can customize any accessory on your AI model and replace it with your own product images. This is a game changer for e-commerce because high-quality visuals can significantly boost sales. But what if you don't have a custom model image? No worries. You can use preset models instead. In the Preset Styles section, you'll find a wide selection of ready-made models. To find the best one, simply filter by category. I'll select bags, and now we can see a variety of models already showcasing bags. Once you find the one that fits your product, select it. You'll also have the option to adjust the product placement on the model if needed. When everything looks good, hit Generate, and after a short wait, here's the final result, absolutely stunning, right? And the best part? You can use the same process to generate models for glasses, earrings, hats, necklaces, and so much more. It's an easy and effective way to showcase your products professionally, without expensive photo shoots. Alright, so if you're running a clothing store and want to create a model just like this, here's what you need to do. First, go back to the home page and select the Virtual Try-On Apparel tool. This will take you to the Virtual Fashion Model Generator interface. Now, you'll see two options, separates and one-piece garment. If you have a two-piece outfit, like a top and pants, choose separates, and you'll need to upload the top in one box and the bottom in the other. But since I have a one-piece dress, I'm selecting one-piece garment. Next, we need to upload the product image. So, I'll go ahead and upload the dress here. Once the image is uploaded, it's time to set up the model settings. Here, you'll find two modes, minimal mode and batch mode. The minimal mode is to generate models in a single pose. First you can select the gender and then age and background view. Once these filters are applied, you'll see a list of suitable models. Or just find and choose one and hit the generate button. After a short wait, you'll get results like this. Wow! Just look at how perfect it is. The AI generates 4 different images, and while some may not be perfect, at least one of them will be spot on, just like this. And here's another cool feature, you can even upload your own model image to create a fully custom fashion model. This gives you complete control over how your products are displayed, making your store look super professional. Alright, now let's move on to batch mode. This is where you can create a multi-pose model all at once. Set the poses first, we need to choose 4 different poses for our model. Once you've selected them, click on Next Step to continue. Now, it's time to set up the model. You'll see a bunch of options here, so use the filters to select the gender and age to find the perfect match for your product. Once you've picked the best model, click Next Step again. Select the background. This step is really important because the background plays a huge role in how professional your image looks. So, take your time and choose the perfect background that complements your product. Now, you'll see a summary of everything you've selected, poses, model, and background. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back and make adjustments. Once you're happy with everything, just hit the generate button and wait a few moments. And here it is. The AI has created 4 stunning images, each with a different pose, but keeping the same outfit and the same model we selected. How amazing is that? This feature makes it so easy to showcase your products in multiple angles and styles, giving your store that high-end, professional look. Alright, now let's say you want to use the same model for all your product images to keep a consistent brand identity, for example, swapping your bag model with the same one you used for your dress. Here's how to do it. Select the Swap Fashion Model tool from the menu. Once you're on the page, click here to upload your model image. After the image is uploaded, choose the product or area you want to keep in your image. This step is important because we're swapping only the model, not the product. Once you've selected the area, hit Confirm and go to the Model Settings tab. Now, choose the model you want to swap with. For example, I'm selecting the same model I used for my dress. Hit the Generate button, and in just a few seconds, boom! Your product image is now updated with the new model, and it looks seamless and professional. Seriously, this tool is incredible, it makes product photography so much easier. Now if you think your image resolution is too low, you can easily enhance it. First, select any image, and you'll see the download option. Go ahead and download it. Now, in the AI Tools section, you'll find a variety of AI image editing features, including image to video, background remover, background replacer, image enhancer, and more. For example, I want to enhance my image, so I'm selecting the image enhancer option. Once you're on the page, upload the image, choose the resolution, hit the generate button. The AI will process the image in just a few seconds, and here it is. The enhanced version looks so much sharper and more detailed. Need to replace the background with something new? You can do that too. Just select the background replacer, upload your image, choose or upload a new background, click replace, and your product will now have a brand new background. Want to remove the background? No problem. Use the background remover option, upload your image, and the AI will take care of it. If want to retouch or customize any part of your product, Use the image retouch feature, upload the product image, select the area you want to modify, enter your instructions in the prompt box, click retouch, and done. Your image is updated. If need to change the color of a product? That's easy with the image color changer. Just select the part you want to recolor, and AI will do the rest. Alright, now let's try the most exciting feature, the image to video tool. Once you're on this page, click here and upload the image you want to turn into a video. Enter an additional prompt in this box to customize the video. Set the mode that best suits your needs. Once everything is ready, hit the generate button. It will take some time to process, so let's fast forward this part, and here it is. The AI-generated video looks absolutely stunning. Now, you can create amazing videos for your products effortlessly. Seller Pick AI is a powerful tool that helps you generate high-quality product images and fashion models that can boost your sales. So, don't miss out, give it a try. I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, friend. That's a wrap for today's video. Before we go, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Seller Pick AI. Have you tried it yet? How did it work for you? Drop your feedback and results in the comments below. I'm excited to see what you create. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next one.